How to create a website with Google Sites. Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a website with Google Sites. Whether you're starting a blog, building an online portfolio, or creating a website for your business, Google Sites is a free and easy to use platform that can help you get started quickly. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps needed to create a beautiful and functional website using Google Sites, from choosing a template to customizing your site's pages and design. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your website up and running in no time. Google Sites is a great option for those who want to create a website without having to learn how to code. With its simple drag and drop interface and easy to use tools, you can create professional-looking website without any prior design experience. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go to googlesites.com. Now to go over here, you can simply search in your new tab, Google Sites. And you're going to select the first option that you are going to see. E-commerce. And that will take you to Google Sites. Now over here right now, as you can see, we have our template section over here and our recent sites over here. On the template section, this is where we will be able to choose from different types of gallery. Right now, we have the events, portfolio, help center, project, and there's also more templates by clicking on the template gallery over here on the top. And this will show us different types of other templates that we can use, for example, for small businesses and education. Now, when you click on the main menu over here on the top left, you would be able to see sites, classic sites, docs, sheets, slides, and forms. This means that you can integrate all of this Google features into your Google Sites. Now, what we're going to do next is we can either choose from our different templates over here, which I'm going to do for the meantime. We're going to choose maybe an event template. We're going to click this, and it will redirect us to the editing page of the Google Sites with the template that we have selected earlier. As you can see right now, we are seeing the template that we have selected, and we can edit every single components that we are seeing right now. And going back to the top. Now over here on the right side, we can see that we have three main options over here. We have the insert option, pages option, and the themes option. In the insert option, this is where we will be able to insert text box, images, embedded, and drive. These are the different basic elements that we can add into our website. We also have content blocks over here, which is basically layouts or a group of elements that are already pre-arranged so that we can easily use and upload the different data that we have. We also have collapsible group, table of contents, image carousel, button, divider, spacer, social link, placeholder, YouTube, calendar, and many more options. And like I said earlier, you could integrate any of the Google features into your website. Now, as you can see right now, this is our current template that we chose. Over here, we can edit every content that we are seeing right now. For example, for this part, we could change the text to whatever we want. For example, our website would be about a donation page for tree planting. So over here, we're going to type in $1 for one tree. Just like that. And then we could type in our event name, tree reforestation, just like that. And then we could adjust the length of our text by dragging it on the side. Then we could change our text location by clicking it, and then we could move it to a certain location of our page. You could also add a venue name over here if you want, or if you don't want this section over here, you can simply click on the option over here on the right side, and just like that. And we can also change the image of our background. As you can see here on the bottom left, we can have this change image option over here. We could also reset this or change our header type. Right now, we are having a large banner. We could also change it to a normal banner or a cover, just like that. We're going to stick with a large banner. And we're going to change our image by clicking on this option over here. we could either upload an image or select an image. We're going to click on select for now. And we could either choose from our gallery, by URL, search your albums, or from your Google Drive. For now, we're going to go with search, and we're going to search trees. We'll select that, then click on our search button, and we can choose from the different three pictures that we have right now. For example, this one, we're going to use this, and then click on select. We're going to wait for it to upload our photo. And just like that, our background photo has been changed, and it's currently working to make it fit our page just like that. We could also scroll down over here. We would be able to change more information just like we did earlier. You could do anything you want to do. Right now, we are seeing the different content blocks that we saw earlier. And you can simply edit every component. Now, if you want to add blocks or elements into your page, you can simply look over here on the right side. You can choose which block you want to add or which element. For example, I want to add an image. I'm simply going to click on the image section, and I can choose from upload or select. For now, we're going to go with select. And we have Google Drive, links, photo, Google image sections over here. We could search in Google Images, for example, a tree once again. And we could choose any option that we like. For example, this one. We're going to click on insert. And that specific image element that we have added would be added into our page over here. Now you could change the background of this specific section. Right now we can see that it is color gray. And we could change the background by clicking on this section color over here on the left side. And you could change it to any style that you want, just like that. You can also edit your page. You can edit it by changing the crop size. You can uncrop this. You could change this photo into a link. You can also delete this by clicking on this option. And then you would have more editing options over here, like replace image, alternative text, and add a caption. Now we could also add a text button over here. And as you can see, this text element would appear on our page. We could combine different elements by simply dragging this into our section over here. We could change it over here, and we're going to drag our photo into our text block over here. And just like that, our photo and our text has combined together. We could edit our size. For the meantime, we can make this smaller, just like that. We could also make this entire section collapsible if we would like, just like that. And if they click on the arrow over here, this entire thing would collapse. Now you can add content blocks by doing the same thing. You could click on the specific content block, and that specific content block would appear on your website. And if you want to arrange them, you can simply click on the entire section, and you could rearrange them however you like, just like this. And it will automatically move your other blocks either downward or upward. Now you could add anything you want. Like I said earlier, you could add buttons, divider, spacer, and many more. You can click on pages over here. This is where you would be able to add your different pages that you would like to have. When you hover over this new page option over here, you could see that you could add a new menu section. We could add a full page embedded or a new link. Any page that you add would automatically appear here on the top, which is our navigation bar. We could also add a logo by clicking on this section over here. Let's try this. We can click on upload or select. It's like that. And we're going to exit this. And because our logo is a PNG, it's a transparent logo, so it's a bit hard to see our logo right now, but it's there. We can also click on themes, and this is where we would be able to change the themes of our website right now. Currently, we're using the level theme. We could change the colors by clicking on this options over here. As you can see, our page is changing colors. You can also choose specific colors over here or enter a specific color code. Now you could also change our font style over here from sans, slab, and narrow. And after creating your page, after doing every changes that you would like to do, you could also click over here on the top and click on preview. And you would be able to see what our current page looks like on a large screen, on a tablet screen, and on a mobile screen. As you can see also here, we have our collapsible element that we have added earlier, which is our image. And we're simply going to exit our preview right now. And we're going to click on publish over here on the top right. And over here, this is where we're going to enter our web address, 3charities. And as you can see, this is our Google provided domain. If you want to add a domain, you can simply click on manage over here if you own your own custom domain. You could also edit who can view your site and edit the search settings. After entering or changing necessary information over here, you can simply click on publish. And this will publish our website. And just like that, our website is officially published. Click on our publish options over here and then click on view and then click on view publish site. And this will redirect us to the live page of our website. And as you can see, our collapsible is over here. And every changes that we have added earlier is present in this page. And that's it, guys. That's how you can make a website on Google site. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.